Good morning, students. Today we'll start with a new essay, Seven Rules of Writing by V.S. Naipaul. So, V.S. Naipaul was an eminent, he was a famous novelist, and he was born in Trinidad in 1932. He was an Indian born, and afterwards his ancestors immigrated to Trinidad. He became a successful writer with the publication of The Mystic Messiah. And you also have to remember that he was awarded Nobel Prize in Literature in 2001 for his novel Half a Life. And apart from this work, his works or his other novels include A House for Mr. Bispas, A Bend in the River. So you also have to remember these other works by V.S. Naipaul. Now, to start the essay, V.S. Naipaul has introduced 7 rules of writing, and the author, the writer himself, has experimented all these rules and afterwards has written down these rules so that the future generations also, or so that the aspiring writers may be benefited. So he says one of the first things I tell my students is that it helps to follow a formula when you are starting out as a writer. So he says that there is always a pattern for writing. You simply cannot write on anything, on any topic. Okay, you must have a basic concept, you must have a basic idea, you must have a formula, okay, in your mind to write something. For example, while aspiring journalists try their hand at writing a news report, they should keep in mind the inverted pyramid structure and divide the story structure into introduction, explanation, corroboration, and qualification. So, he has given this example that if you want to be a journalist, then you must keep in mind that your story structure, it should be in the form of inverted pyramid ulte pyramid ko bolte hain. Okay, so first you have to introduce your story, whatever you are writing, whatever report you are writing, you have to introduce the subject, then you have to explain it further, then you have to support with evident corroboration, means to support with evidence, to give examples, to prove with examples, and then lastly qualification and the concluding part. So he says I also tell my students that there are million ways to say the same thing. So once they become confident about their writing, they should experiment and break the rules if necessary. And we all know this thing, okay, एक बात को कहने के 100 तरीके हो सकते हैं, okay, and you can write a similar sentence in numerous ways. But Naipaul says that in the beginning, you must not experiment all of this because a beginner must adopt simple ways of writing. And only if you have gained experience, only if you have become confident, then you must try to break the rules, and only then you should experiment. The only thing that matters, I try to impress upon them, is the reader. Okay, so for whom we are writing, the reader. So Naipaul says the most important thing which you must keep in your mind is that as long as your reader is connected, as long as your reader is interested, only then your writing would be considered as successful, your writing would be considered as a worthy. Okay, so he says these are the 7 rules. Do not write long sentences. A sentence should not have more than 10 or 12 words. And you must remember that these rules are for the beginners, not for the experts. Okay. So if you have started down writing, if you want to become a novelist, if you want to become journalist, a report writer, then you must keep this in mind that you don't have to start writing long sentences. You first have to remember that your first step must be easy. Okay, so you must write small sentences, or sentences maybe 10 to 12 words का ही एक sentence होना चाहिए. Each sentence should make a clear statement, and this is obvious. It should add to the statement that went before. A good paragraph is a series of clear, linked statements. Okay, so in this, by this rule, Naipaul means that meaning must be clear. It must not be haphazard. Okay, जो भी लिखा है, जो भी सेंटेंस है, एक सेंटेंस के बाद जो दूसरा सेंटेंस लिखोगे, वो जो दोनों सेंटेंसेस है वो कनेक्टेड होने चाहिए, लिंक्ड होने चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं है फर्स्ट सेंटेंस किसी एक बात पे लिखा और दूसरा ही सेंटेंस जो है वो कोई और बात के बारे में आप बता रहे हो। ओके, सो दिस मस्ट नॉट बी, this is not, you could say, this is not the proper way of writing. Your paragraph must be clear, your meaning must be clear, and your sentences must be linked. Do not use big words. So if your computer tells you that your average word is more than 5 letters long, there is something wrong. So the use of small words compels you to think about what you are writing, and even difficult ideas can be broken down into small words. So some people think that if you'll use big words, if you'll use bombastic language, then your writing would be considered as attractive. But on the contrary, V.S. Naipaul says that you don't have to use big words in the starting. Okay, you could use small words, and the average word limit must be 5 letters long. Okay, he says that even difficult ideas can be broken down into small words. It is not necessary that you have to use these big words, you have, in order to make a good impression. बी एस नाइपॉल से कि ऐसा बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरी नहीं है। शॉर्ट वर्ड्स होने चाहिए, शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस होने चाहिए, सेंटेंसेस जो है वो लिंक्ड होने चाहिए, एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होने चाहिए। Never use words whose meanings you are not sure of. Okay, and if you break this rule, you should look for other work. So V.S. Naipaul very strictly adheres to this rule, and he says that suppose if you have used a word and you think that whether to include this word or not, ठीक है, अगर आप में ये कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है कि आप इस वर्ड को या किसी भी वर्ड को इंक्लूड करें अपनी राइटिंग में, तब वी एस नायपॉल कहते हैं कि आपको जो राइटिंग ये प्रोफेशन है वो ही छोड़ देना चाहिए। यू मस्ट लुक फॉर अदर वर्क। ओके, जो जब तक आप 100% कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है अपने वर्ड्स के प्रति, तब तक आपको उन वर्ड्स को इंक्लूड नहीं करना चाहिए अपनी राइटिंग में। A beginner should avoid using adjectives except those of color, size, and number. Similarly, he says that it is not compulsory to use these adjectives, to use adverbs in your writings. Then avoid the abstract. Always go for the concrete. Now, abstract are the unreal elements. He says that you must go for those incidents, you must write on those incidents which are based on facts, which are concrete. And at early level, you must avoid using the abstract ideas or writing on the abstract ideas. And the seventh and most important rule is that you have to practice writing in this way for 6 months. He says every day for 6 months, at least practice writing in this way. Okay, small words, short, clear, concrete sentences. So you must make it clear, you must make it in your mind. It may be awkward, but it is training you in the use of language. He says that it may be difficult for you in the beginning, but actually it is developing your habit of writing, of how to write effectively. Okay, and he says it may even be getting rid of the bad language habits you picked up at the university. You may go beyond these rules after you have thoroughly understood and mastered them. So Naipaul says that it, of course, it will definitely help you to forsake those bad language habits that you picked up at the universities. And he says that once you have mastered this skill, once you have acquired perfection in writing, then you can break these rules. स्टार्टिंग में आपको ये जो रूल्स हैं वो फॉलो करने चाहिए, और बाद में व्हेन यू हैव गेन कॉन्फिडेंस, व्हेन यू हैव अचीव्ड perfection, then you may break these rules if necessary. But till then, you have to practice for 6 months. You must keep in your mind that you don't have to write big words, you don't have to write long sentences, you don't have to write about the abstract ideas, you don't have to use adverbs, adjectives, etc. Even V.S. Naipaul himself, he said that he literally started writing over again after the age of 22, and he started writing with simple sentences like cat sits on the mat, like these simple sentences, okay? And they really helped him a lot. And whatever he has written, what if he is giving these rules to us, it means that he has practiced it himself, and he really wants his readers and other aspiring writers to adopt these simple methods if you really want to achieve perfection in your writing. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.